Instagram is a great platform for staying in touch with friends and family, but what happens when you want to have a conversation with more than one person? In this video, I'll show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. Whether you're planning a party or just need to organize a meetup, this easy process will let you keep everyone in the loop. So make sure to watch this video to the very end to learn how to create a group chat on Instagram today. So first of all, let's open up the Instagram app, and then when you are on the Instagram homepage, tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen to open up your chats. After that, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now you can add people from this suggested section, or you can tap on this search bar and you can search for specific people that you would like to add. So, for example, I am going to search for a couple of my friends' profiles and tap on this plus icon next to their names to add them to the group chat. Once you have selected the people that you want to add to your group chat, simply tap on the chat option at the top right corner of the screen to create the group chat. So now you can type in anything and send it, and everyone in this group will see that message. So if you tap on over here where the names of the group members are, you can open up the group chat details page. So when you are on this screen, you can change the group photo, you can change the chat theme, you can do other stuff like mute mentions, and add more people to your group. And you can also leave this chat. So let's change the name of this chat. And tap on done at the top right of the screen. And let's go back. So, as you can see, the name of the group chat is BFFS, and I have selected the chat theme to be chill. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.